Hey beautiful people! Welcome to our new video where we explore powerful, actionable insights to enhance your financial well-being. Today, we're looking into a compelling technique that might just be your key to unlocking unexpected financial gains: visualization. If you've ever felt like your financial goals are out of reach or that you're stuck in a monetary rut, stick with us. We're about to show you how the power of your mind and the right visualization strategies can help attract the money you desire. This isn't about magic or wishful thinking, it's about aligning your subconscious with your financial aspirations to make them a reality. In this video, we'll break down the essence of visualization, guide you through specific techniques designed to attract wealth, and show you how to prepare mentally and physically to make the most out of your visualization. Whether you're new to the concept of using your imagination to foster real-world results, or you're looking for ways to refine your existing practices, this video is crafted to provide you with practical steps and clear guidance. Let's start on this journey to financial abundance, understanding the fundamentals of visualization, and how it can transform your approach to money. Visualization might sound complex, but it's simply the practice of creating vivid and compelling images in your mind. It's about seeing what you want to achieve, the wealth you desire, as if it's already yours. This technique is grounded in the idea that your mind, especially your subconscious, plays a crucial role in the manifestation of your financial reality. By imagining yourself as financially successful, you are planting seeds in the fertile ground of your subconscious which, believe it or not, begins to work towards making this visualization a reality. Why does visualization work? It's because the brain often doesn't distinguish between real and vividly imagined experiences. When you visualize, your brain assumes that what you're imagining is real, and it triggers emotional and psychological reactions similar to those you would experience if you were actually living those moments. These reactions can include feelings of happiness, gratitude, and the very crucial sense of abundance. This emotional alignment is key. It shifts your mindset from one of lack to one of abundance, which is essential for attracting wealth. Now, you might be wondering if there's any real science behind this. Absolutely, there is. Numerous studies have shown that visualization can significantly influence your behavior and decision-making processes. For instance, athletes have been using visualization for decades to improve performance by mentally simulating perfect execution. The same principle applies to financial visualization. By regularly seeing yourself as financially successful, you prepare your mind to seize the opportunities that can make those visualizations come true. Researchers have found that this mental training increases confidence, improves motivation, and can even alert your conscious mind to money-making opportunities you might otherwise overlook. Before looking into visualization, achieving mental clarity is essential. A clear mind becomes a receptive canvas for the images of wealth you are about to create. Begin by finding a quiet moment in your day. It could be early in the morning or late at night, whenever you find it easiest to detach from the day's distractions. Use simple relaxation techniques such as deep breathing or meditative listening to calm your thoughts and focus your mind. This state of calm allows you to direct your mental energy more effectively, reducing the mental clutter that often hinders clear visualization. Now, with a clear mind, the next step is to define your financial goals. These should be specific and measurable. Instead of simply wishing for more money, quantify what more means. Set a clear target. Is it an extra $1,000? Is it paying off your debt? Or perhaps funding a new project? Defining these goals not only gives clarity to your visualization efforts but also helps in creating more detailed and thus more effective mental images. Remember, the more precise your visualization, the better your mind can align with your financial objectives. With your goals set and your mind prepared, let's move on to specific visualization techniques that can help bring that unexpected money into your life. One effective visualization technique is what I like to call the mental money movie. Here, you visualize a dynamic sequence of events where you see yourself achieving your financial goals. Imagine yourself receiving checks, making bank deposits, or even celebrating the success of a new financial venture. Visualize not just the actions but also the feelings associated with these successes: joy, relief, and confidence. This movie should be replayed regularly in your mind's eye, ideally once in the morning and once at night. Each replay reinforces the financial success pathway in your brain, gradually aligning your subconscious with your wealth objectives. Another powerful tool is the visualization board. This is a physical display of your financial aspirations. Gather images that represent the wealth you desire, pictures of luxury items, holiday destinations, or even bank statements with desired figures. Place this board somewhere you can see it every day. This constant visual stimulus serves as a daily reminder of your targets and enhances your focus. The board acts like a visual anchor, making your financial goals visually tangible and thereby more attainable in your subconscious mind. Alongside visual techniques, integrating daily affirmations into your routine can amplify the effects of your visualizations. Affirmations are positive, present-tense statements that reinforce your goals. For instance, affirming, "I am attracting financial abundance effortlessly every day," aligns your mental state with wealth creation. Repeat these affirmations during your visualization to deepen the impact, embedding these positive financial outcomes into your daily thought patterns. To make these visualization techniques even more effective, consider how and where you practice them. Creating the right environment for visualization can significantly enhance the quality and focus of your practice. Choose a quiet, comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. This could be a dedicated corner in your home where you can sit comfortably and relax without interruptions. Soft background music or nature sounds can also help in maintaining a calm and focused ambience, aiding your concentration during visualization. Like any skill, the effectiveness of visualization grows with consistency. Make it a part of your daily routine, setting aside a specific time each day for this practice. Regular visualization not only keeps your financial goals clearly in sight but also keeps your subconscious tuned to opportunities and actions that lead to financial gains. While visualization is a powerful mental tool in attracting wealth, it's equally important to take actionable steps towards your financial goals. Visualization sets the foundation by aligning your mindset with success, but actions transform these visualized goals into reality. Begin by evaluating your current financial situation. Identify areas where improvements can be made, such as reducing unnecessary expenses or finding ways to increase income. Setting up a detailed budget or financial plan can help guide your spending and savings behaviors, ensuring they align with the visions you've been nurturing. Engage in financial education. Understanding financial principles, investment options, and economic conditions can empower you to make informed decisions that propel you towards wealth. Knowledge is power, and in the context of financial success, it's a critical component of making informed, effective decisions that complement your visualization practices. As you visualize and take deliberate actions towards wealth, it's crucial to stay open and receptive to opportunities. Sometimes, opportunities to increase your income or investments come from unexpected sources, and maintaining an open mind ensures you don't overlook these chances. Trust in your visualization process and be ready to take swift, decisive action when these opportunities arise. Recognize that these opportunities may present themselves subtly, perhaps a chance meeting with someone who has a business proposition, or discovering a niche market ready for your skills and input. Your visualizations can prepare you to be more attuned to these moments, essentially training your mind to recognize and seize them as they come. Remember that the combination of clear, focused visual thinking and proactive behavior is what sets the stage for financial success. By maintaining a disciplined approach to both your mental practices and your real-world actions, you are setting yourself up for the best possible outcomes. Keep refining your visualization techniques, stay consistent with your financial strategies, and always be ready to act on the opportunities that align with the future you've envisioned. We hope this guide inspires you to start using visualization as a daily practice to achieve financial abundance. The power to change your financial destiny lies within your commitment to both imagine and act. Keep your visualizations vivid, your intentions clear, and your actions purposeful. Thank you for watching, and here's to your success in attracting unexpected money into your life.